Hi friends, welcome to my channel again. So today I am going to explain how to create the BBS for tabular column in Excel. So in this I am going to explain how to create the tabular columns in the Excel. Whoever not familiar with Excel, they can also learn the Excel sheets how to create the tabular column. I am going to explain each and every one column how to prepare. Don't skip this video till end of this video, so you will know how to create the tabular column. Just watch the screen. Dear students, I am going to start the tabular column for BBS in my laptop. So first how to open the Excel file, just see. So open the start menu of the computer and here is the Excel file. You can open the Excel file if it is you are tagged in the tag menu, or go to all and you can find in the installed softwares, you can find Excel software over here. Just click it, it will get open. So after opening, just open one blank worksheet, so the Excel file will get open. So in this Excel file, this left side 1 2 3 is called as a number of rows, and this ABCD called as a number of columns. So before going to work, just save this page. So can save anywhere. So I am going to save this file in desktop, and I am going to give the tabular column name is BBS tabular column. You can save this file. So you can start entering from the sheets what are the contents. Now I am taking the example for footing reinforcement steel quantity tabular column. So for that, what are the contents are required in the columns, I am going to enter. I am starting from the third row. First most column is serial number. Second column is description of the item. And C column is, you see, when I am entering in the B column, the words are going to the C column. Don't worry. So you enter in the C column. Later I will explain you how to format it in the same column. So C column is number of items. Next, D column is dia of bar in mm. Next, E column is bar shape. Bar shape. This is optional. I will explain you later it is required or not. Next, shorter span or longer span length in mm. G column footing depth in mm. Next, H column clear cover in mm. I column spacing in mm. J column number of bends. K column angle of bend in degree. And L column anchorage length on both sides. And M column number of bars. and n column bend allowance, and O column cutting length in mm, and P column lap length in mm, and Q column total length in mm, and R column total length in meter, and S column unit weight, in kg per meter. Next, total weight of each bars in kg. So what are the number of bars available in market? 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm, and 32 mm. So these are the total bars available. These are the total columns required to do the footing reinforcement steel quantity. So now if you are seeing all the letters are overlapped from this column to that column and that column to this columns. Now what we have to do, we have to make it clearly visible. So for that what we have to do, so select the one or two columns and merge it. So if you are merge, and this will get come into the bottom, and even in the one line it is not visible properly, so you have to make it two line. For that, one more command is there, wrap test. You can select the wrap test, it will visible in the two column. So if you want, you can increase few more row width, you can increase it. So, and if you want a little bit increase it column width, you can increase the column width also. And the same thing you have to do it for all the columns. One is merge cell and wrap test. Once it is done for this cell, no, we can copy paste these properties for all the cells. For that, one more command is there, format painter. You have to select this column, and you have to take the format cell properties, and you have to paste it for all the cells until unit weight. So then it will get same property will come into all the cells. Similarly, for the serial number also you can make it. So even though now a few more letters are splitting down and it's not clearly visible, something is there. For that, what you have to do, so we have to adjust the column little bit to see all the words. Okay, and all the letters are aligned at the bottom level. So you have to you can align at the center. These are the alignment tools. You can select all the letters can align at center. So you see all the letters are came at the center. And here the total length bar also you can adjust it. This is the total length, total weight of each bars from 8 mm to 32 mm. So you can select this all this cell and go for and merge it. So this total weight will be common from 8 mm to 32 mm. So after this, the font is automatically it will take Calibra. So otherwise, if you want, if you want to change the font size, you can select and go and select whatever the font you want. You can select it, and you can color it this. And if you want, you can color this also. Whatever the color you want, you can color it. and you see center lines are not visible. For that you can make these columns all bold line. You can select here from the bold line all lines to be bolder, so like that it will come. And in the top of the first row also you can write what is the content of this thing. So you can select from A column to Z column, and you can merge this also, and you can write this is footing reinforcement quantity. So you can write a footing reinforcement quantity. And this also you can increase the font size. If you want, you can increase the font size, and you can select the default or the type of font you want, you can select it. So this is the total BBS format is prepared. And here also you can write the unit weight is there, no, the same column in the bottom you can write it total weight in kg dia wise. You can put equals. You see these letters are went inside the this total, where when we are doing the total then it will get abstract. That's why you can align these letters into the right side. So then all the letters will come this side, and this column will get free. When we are adding this 8 dia bars, then the total will come here. And even presentable, you can, if you want to make it presentable, you can select total area and make it total outer one bold line, and this top block, top title block also you can make one border line, and this bottom also you can make one bold line. This is the bottom line, and here also you can make it bold line, and you can select any color if you want differently. So this is the tabular column prepared for the calculation of footing reinforcement. So please practice this. So every type of members, the same tabular column will not holds good. Only at the end of the formulas will get the remains, but in the some area columns will be different, beams will be different. I will teach you whenever we are going to take the respective items. That time I will teach you what columns is required to keep and what columns to be altered. So but the basic type of preparation you can learn from this section. In the next class I am going to explain how to enter the values over here, how to read the drawing, how to put the formulas over here, and how to take the total quantities over here. Next class I will going to explain the formula feeding. Thanks for watching. Now you are learned about how to create the tabular column for the BBS in Excel. So kindly subscribe these videos and share with your friends and colleagues. Then you will get the next uploaded video immediately. Thank you.